Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've got a video I think on this, but I can't find it. And this is how to send me a file. He highlighted in yellow that this has a sharp point. He highlighted in green that it's not a sharp point. To be honest with you, it's really not going to matter if you're cutting that out because that's a hairline, but it can be fixed. So let's zoom in here. I just made a duplicate to get it off his file. You need to grab the shape tool and kind of select that. Then go to the pen tool and double click. And we need to change this to something other than 45. So we'll make it 35 and hit enter, and voila, you got a sharp point. What's happening is this angle is less than 45. So it's limiting itself. If we grab the angular dimension tool and go up, and I'm just gonna eyeball this. See, it's at 41.6. where this one is over 45, it's 48.18. So it's Corel's limiting that angle, but that can be easily fixed, on the fly on your drawing. Just grab that, select that node, go back to the pen tool, and type in anything below 45 basically, and voila, you got a sharp point. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.